Welcome to Accounting Made Easy, and in this video we're going to talk about installing, launching and registering Turbocash. So this is page 39 or module B of your manual Accounting Made Easy. With your business card subscription you'll get a installation program here, for example Turbocash 969, which if you execute will by default install to the United Kingdom, but you can choose another country if you wish to. I'm going to take the default United Kingdom. And I'm going to install to the Turbocash 5 directory. And Turbocash now extracts from your 150 meg download to around about 500 meg. It'll ask you at this point whether you want to install Flame Robin and Firebird. Take yes, we'll get to what they are later. Right, the first thing is it asks you for the language, and we're going to take by default language. This is different to a country. This could be German, Spanish, French. And Turbocash will now start up. And there I have by default set of books, Turbocash UK, ready to load. I could open it, and I'm ready to invoice. Right, as you can see, the installation program is now installed to the Turbocash 5 subdirectory. Inside this is an exe program of Turbocash, Turbocash5.exe, plus some books, which is by default set of books, English UK, a bin with a set of tutorials, English tutorials for example. And I'm actually going to go and open one of those and show you what that looks like. So I go Turbocash 5, browse, bin, tutorials, English tutorials, and I'll take Handyman B because I happen to know that this is filled with some data which will make it easy for me to show you the program. And at this stage I now have the Handyman B set of books open, and I can run a report, for example, on it. I also have in bin a repository of a large number of books that I can, if I put in the wrong country, I can come back and I can choose one of these. I've got the tutorials, I've got a set of themes that I can change the look of Turbocash, and we can change the language to a number of languages, English, Spanish, French. So there we have it, Turbocash configured to the country of your choice and the language that you choose and the tax system of your choice. We're now ready to get down and do a tutorial.